At the 3-day workshop on improving civil-military relations, synergy building, and intelligence gathering in achieving sustainable security in Nigeria, put together by the Emergency Crisis and Disaster Risk Management Institute, the Chief of Defense Staff, represented by Air Vice Marshal Anthony Ekpe, while speaking at the event, said all efforts should be made by members of the Nigerian Armed Forces to educate our civil population to ensure they are seen as partners in areas of their security and development.
As the Chief of Defense Staff, I appreciate the importance of this initiative to armed forces and the country at large. Over the years, Nigeria has been dealing with security challenges which have impacted negatively on the well-being and socio-economic activities of the citizen. The various security challenges plaguing the country include terrorism, kidnapping for ransom, separatist agitation, farmer-herders clashes, militancy, and armed robbery and other security challenges.
The guest speaker, Dixon Osaji, while advocating for provision of more surveillance drones for the military, said provision of information to civilian populace is key to make them feel safe.
They are out there to protect you and I, and that is why they sworn their allegiance. The Constitution of 1999 Constitution, Section 217, has given them that authority or the mandate to protect the civilian public. So the civilian authority, the civil authority should also do well in supporting them, give them information.
DG Emergency Crisis and Disaster Risk Management Institute, Chuks Akawu, said the event is aimed at improving relations between military and the people.
Ready to work with the military to ensure that there's an enhanced and improved civil-military relation, that the perception the civilians or the populace have for the military is improved.
The event, which was a gathering of the Nigerian Navy, Nigerian Armed Force, and the Nigerian Army, according to the organizers, is focused on the need for the military to change how they are perceived and work together with the masses, as they cannot achieve much in their day-to-day quest without the civilian populace. Amarachi Amushi, AIT News, Lagos.